Welcome to the Rim Brake Rodeo. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to turn on a Volkswagen Jetta with a key. First, insert your physical key into the ignition cylinder. Next, turn the key clockwise to the on position, which illuminates your dashboard lights. Then, continue turning the key further clockwise to the start position. Hold it there briefly until the engine fully engages. Once your Jetta's engine starts, simply release the key, and it will automatically spring back to the on position, ready for your drive. Sometimes, your key might not turn, or the car won't start. If the key is stuck, try gently jiggling the steering wheel left and right while turning the key. This often releases the steering wheel lock. Always confirm your Jetta is securely in park or neutral before attempting to start. For models with push-button start, a dead key fob battery can prevent ignition, even if the physical key is used for entry. Persistent issues might indicate a problem with the ignition lock cylinder itself. Your Volkswagen Jetta key fob offers convenient features like remote locking and unlocking your doors, and often a button to pop open the trunk. Many fobs also include a panic button for emergencies, which activates the alarm. Should your key fob battery die, don't worry. A hidden physical key can be extracted from the fob to manually unlock the driver's door. For push-button start models, you can usually start the car by holding the dead fob directly against the steering column's designated sensor. To ensure your Volkswagen Jetta key always works reliably, regular maintenance is key. It's a good practice to replace your key fob battery every 2 to 3 years. Most newer Volkswagen fobs use a CR2032 coin cell battery. Keep your key clean and protect it from extreme temperatures or moisture, which can damage internal components. Finally, having a spare key, whether a physical one or a programmed fob, provides excellent peace of mind and a backup in unexpected situations.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.